Hi there. For bisecting an angle today, it's actually pretty easy and normally can be done pretty quickly. You can see a generic angle that I haven't named it. Of course, bisecting an angle means to cut it in halves. The first thing you need to do is to take your compass. Let's see our compass. Is to take your compass and place it on the vertex. Just put the needle on the vertex of the angle and open it on a comfortable length that suits you. Then I'm going to strike an arc. Now you can change the setting of your compass if you want, but to do it quickly you don't have to. Okay? Now the next two arcs has to have the exact same setting. Pick up the compass, put the needle of one of those points, and then strike an arc. The arc should be in the interior of the angle. Then pick it up again and put the needle on the other point of intersection and strike another arc. Using your straight edge, now I'm going to use my straight edge to draw the bisector. The bisector joining the vertex and the point of intersection of the two arcs. And now you draw an angle bisector that cut it into two halves. Thank you.